In this video, you'll learn a simple mechanical trading strategy. Alright, so why do you want to trade with a simple mechanical trading strategy? Well, it's really easy and beginner friendly, so this strategy is perfect for beginners and struggling traders. And the thing about this strategy, as well as you will see later, is you don't need to worry about setting stop losses or take profit targets. Many new traders struggle with setting correct stop losses because often they set it too tight and they get stopped out all the time, or they set it too wide and their losses are too big and they're too aggressive with their take profit targets. So that's a big key. The more experience you get, the better stop losses and take profit targets you can take. One more thing really important about this strategy is its high frequency. Really important when you're starting out that you get many setups per day so you can practice a lot. That's key. A beautiful thing as well is that you have just one pattern and one signal indicator when trading this strategy. So if we look here on this chart, what we want to see really is we have the market moving down here with lower highs and lower lows. We bottom out, and then the first thing you want to look for is basically a higher high. This is the first indication of a trend reversal higher. Price moves up, we have a sell signal. We don't focus on this sell signal here in this strategy, and then a pullback. Now, in this pullback, what you want to look for is this recent low, hold. You don't want price to undercut this level. So we have a lower high, a lower low, a higher high, and now we want to see a higher low, confirmed by a 10x signal. So price did not make a lower low, price put in a 10x buy signal. These are signals based on price action, trends, and level strategies, and they are generated during the candle forming and confirmed at the close. So non-lagging and non-repaint. So as soon as you see this candle close, you move in to your binary broker. And here, of course, you want to set your chart to the same chart you use on TradingView for finding the signals and using the analysis, and you set your expiration time to 5 minutes, your trade amount based on your risk management, and you take the trade higher because it's a buy signal. Really, really simple. So break higher, making a higher high, waiting for the pullback, and we don't want this low to be broken, so we're expecting a higher low. As soon as the signal fire and close, you move in to your binary platform and you place the trade with 5 minutes expiration, trade higher. So entry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your trade expires up here above your entry level. So this is a win. What you can see sometimes is price just dips quickly below here. And that's the beautiful thing about this strategy. Like, you don't need to worry about stop losses and take profits because the only thing that matters is where price close after these 5 minutes. So that's a huge advantage when trading this strategy and when you're starting out, just focusing on the setup, mastering the setup, and trading it with discipline. And especially when you trade a 1 minute chart, EURUSD here, this works on all the major currency pairs, works on XAUUSD, US30, NAS 100. So if you trade CDFs, this works very good for that. All right, let's look at a bearish example as well. So we have a higher low, prices in an uptrend, higher high, break of this low, making a lower low. We don't really focus on this buy signal here because now we're expecting this to possibly be a trend reversal to the downside. Price wedging up here. We don't make a higher high here, so no break of this level. When this signal fires, we move in to our binary platform. We set the chart to EURUSD, expiration time 5 minutes, trade amount, and you take the trade lower. So entry as soon as this close. So when the next candle starts, you're in, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close down here. So a nice win here as well. And because we also broke this low now, we have a confirmed downtrend, and we can take the next sell signal if we pull back in this zone here. So that's how you trade this simple mechanical trading strategy. Happy trading.